Do sweat bees sting? Have you ever wondered if sweat bees can sting? These fascinating little insects, known scientifically as halictid bees, are often seen buzzing around gardens and fields. They are small and usually not aggressive, making them a common sight in many outdoor spaces. But what happens if you get too close? Sweat bees are particularly attracted to human sweat because of its salt content. However, their main focus is on feeding from flowers, where they gather pollen and nectar. Female sweat bees are the only ones capable of stinging, but they typically reserve this action for situations where they feel threatened. For instance, if a sweat bee is accidentally squished or if its nest is disturbed, it may sting in self-defense. Interestingly, male sweat bees do not have stingers at all. This means that if you encounter a male, you can relax a bit more. The sting from a female sweat bee is generally mild for most people. The venom is not highly toxic, and reactions are usually limited to minor irritation, redness, and slight swelling at the sting site. However, for individuals who are allergic to bee venom, a sting could lead to more serious reactions. It's important to be cautious if you know you have such allergies. In the context of reptiles, amphibians, and other insects, sweat bees are not typically a threat. These animals do not usually provoke sweat bees, so the risk of being stung is quite low. Sweat bees play an important role in our ecosystem as pollinators. They visit a variety of flowers, including wildflowers, stone fruits, watermelons, alfalfa, and sunflowers. Their pollination efforts support the reproduction of many plants, which in turn provides food and habitat for other animals, including reptiles and amphibians. If you find yourself near sweat bees while observing or handling reptiles, amphibians, or insects, it is best to remain calm. Avoid swatting at them or disturbing their nests. Generally, sweat bees will not sting unless they feel provoked. Their presence is beneficial for the ecosystem, helping to maintain plant diversity and supporting food webs that include many other species. To summarize, sweat bees can sting, but only females do so when they feel threatened. Their sting is mild for most people, and they are not aggressive. From the perspective of reptiles, amphibians, and insects, sweat bees are valuable pollinators and pose little threat unless directly disturbed.